The Canadian Immigration Department, IRCC, revised the minimum proof of funds requirements for skilled immigrants seeking permanent residence in Canada based on 50% of low-income cut-off totals. Thanks for watching this video. I am Hazrat Tawakoli and this is Persia Global. Canada has updated the proof of settlement funds requirements for express entry candidates. These changes apply to express entry candidates in the Federal Skilled Worker Program or FSWP and the Federal Skilled Trades Program FSTP. They do not apply to candidates from these programs who have a valid job offer in Canada, nor Canadian Experience Class or CEC candidates. FSWP and FSTP candidates who do not have a Canadian job offer will need the following amounts to remain eligible for immigration. IRCC has updated the table that shows how much money you need to settle in Canada that you can take a look at it via the link below this video. To stay eligible, you may need to update your settlement fund numbers in your express entry profile. The update must be done no longer than June 8, 2022. Updating your profile doesn't change the date and time that they received it, so you'll keep your rank if you're in a tie-break situation. To those who are starting their Canada immigration journey, proof of funds is how you show that you have enough money to settle in Canada. If you're invited to apply, you must give written proof that you have this money. Who needs a proof of funds? You need proof of funds to meet the minimum requirements of the Federal Skilled Worker Program and Federal Skilled Trades Program. And let's see who doesn't need proof of funds. You don't need to show that you have enough money to support yourself and your family. If you are applying under Canadian Experience Class or you are authorized to work in Canada and you have a valid job offer, even if you apply under the Federal Skilled Worker Program or the Federal Skilled Trades Program, keep your funds up to date in your profile. The system may find that you're eligible for more than one program. You do not always know ahead of time which program you'll be invited under. So how much money you will need? The amount of money you need to support your family depends on the size of your family. And to calculate the size of your family, you must include yourself, your spouse or partner, your dependent children, and your spouse dependent children, and include your spouse or dependent children even if they are permanent residents or Canadian citizens and not coming to Canada with you. This table shows the minimum amount you need to immigrate to Canada as of June 9th, 2022. If you have more money, you should list the full amount in your profile or application. So you should consider this fact that you have until June 8th to update your profile if you have less than the table amounts shown on your documents. The candidates who have the minimum comprehensive ranking system or CRS score only receive invitations if their profile was received on or before a certain date, which IRCC provides in each invitation round. The funds must be readily available to you both when you apply and if you get a permanent resident visa. When you arrive, you will have to prove the immigration officer that you can legally access the money. You must be able to pay the cost of living for your family, even those who are not coming with you. If your spouse is coming, you can count the money you have together in a joint account. If you're accessing it through an account in their name only, you must prove you have access to the funds. You cannot borrow this money from another person, and you cannot use equity on property as proof of settlement funds. What IRCC accepts as proof of funds? For proof of funds, you need official letters from any bank or financial institutions where you are keeping the money. According to the IRCC government webpage, letter must be printed on the financial institution's letterhead, include the financial institution's contact information like address, telephone number, and email address, include your name, list outstanding debt such as credit card debt and loans, include for each current bank and investment account the account numbers, date each account was opened, current balances of each account, and average balance for the past 6 months. You also need to know how much money you should bring to Canada. Research how much it costs to live in a place where when you plan to settle in Canada. Bring as much as money you can. This will make moving and finding a home in Canada easier. When you arrive in Canada, you have to tell the border officer if you're bringing more than 10,000 Canadian dollars into Canada. If you don't tell them, you may be fined and your funds could be seized. In the end, please note to stay eligible, all candidates who successfully submitted their profiles for the Canadian Permanent Resident Visa must update the settlement funds in their profiles by June 8, 2022. Thank you for your support and likes and being a subscriber of Persia Global channel. We value your confidence in our content and videos and sincerely appreciate your time. Hope we met your expectations via the videos of the channel. Please comment and let us know about any specific content that could meet your immigration or relocation case. Make sure you don't miss out on other valuable videos related to immigration, study abroad, and visa acquisition. In this channel, I address many tips and points you can learn from our years of experiences to ensure you are doing right or submitting the right documents. To get started by subscribing to our channel from today or contact us to use our services at persiaglobal.net/contact. Don't forget to hit notification bell and like button below this video. Don't stop now. You can also subscribe to another channel, IELTS Partner, via the link below this video, which is for our IELTS and TOEFL courses, as well as free lessons, tips, and points on high scoring writing and speaking skills. This is Amar Tawakkoli for Persia Global. May God bless you abundantly on your immigration and relocation journey. As always, pin all your hopes always on God. You will never be pinned down by man. I'll see you in the next videos.